It's finally confirmed. Samsung is looking to make the most limitless flip phone ever. Everything we saw with the S23 Ultra's performance is about to get even better with both Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Apart from its brand new 3.1-inch outer screen, one of the biggest changes on the Z Flip 5 has to be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, and thanks to Geekbench 6, we now know there is a level beyond what we have seen with the S23 Ultra. According to the leaked Geekbench 6 benchmark scores, you can see Samsung has achieved a new level. Surprisingly, Z Flip 5 outperforming both Z Fold 5 and my Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's beating out in both single-core and multi-core performance, which is amazing. This kind of power inside a flip phone is proper insane. Along with the performance, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy promises incredible battery performance for the Galaxy Z Flip 5, as we have seen with the S23 series. It seems like Samsung will be the first one to bring a flip and fold with the latest Qualcomm goodness. Let me know what you think about this. It is now fully confirmed, but we have one more big surprise that Samsung could bring at the Unpacked August event. Rumors are coming from Korean sources saying that Samsung might actually bring a tri-fold Galaxy folding smartphone this year. In case you don't know, a tri-folding smartphone will have two hinges, and it's basically a Galaxy Z Fold on steroids. We're gonna see an even bigger display and far more possibilities than a normal folding phone. Just like the original Galaxy Fold, Samsung might actually showcase a proper unit of this at the Unpacked event, and maybe if we are lucky, we might actually see this coming out this year on the market. We're not sure what name Samsung will give to this new tri-folding beast, but it could actually be Samsung's first ever ultra folding phone. Do you think there's going to be a market for this high-end device? Let me know in the comment section below. Now lastly, a leakster has dropped full specs of the Galaxy S23 FE. Whether it happens or not, this is the package we could see with Samsung's next fan edition. It's very similar to the S21 FE from the past when it comes to screen sizes and everything, but the surprising new change is the 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN3 sensor, which is a very capable sensor that can even process 8K videos. And let's not forget, we also have zoom and ultra-wide-angle lenses, so it can be a pretty banger of a phone if they price it right. Again, it should be replacing the Galaxy A74, which Samsung killed this year. So there we go, that's the latest scoop that could come out at the upcoming Unpacked event. The Z Flip 5 along with the Z Fold 5 rocking the latest and the absolute best 8 Gen 2, unlocking even higher performance than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, along with the possible tri-fold and maybe S23 FE at some point this year. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.